sorry. Did you just? I think you just said something rude to me. Yeah, freedom of speech. I don't think so. You wanna go? You wanna go? Have you seen these guns? You can tell us. Mommy and Daddy will still love you. I've seen you checking out the pool guys. Seen you staring down the mailman. I'd date you if I weren't me. Wait, what am I doing? Is I looking for a burglar?